Spyder video installation guide for 2009 through 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 tail lights. Step 1. Open up the tailgate. Locate your Spyder tail lights with tools necessary. Tools needed: 1/4 inch ratchet, 4-inch socket extension, T25 1/4 inch socket. Next step, remove 2 T25 torque screws. Unseat tail light by pulling and popping it out. Unhook harness from tail light socket and reverse socket. Remove OEM reverse socket and OEM tail light socket. Insert tail light socket with new Spyder tail light. Make sure the grounds match. Replace light socket gasket if needed. Insert reverse light socket. Make sure to insert and turn correct way. Reconnect OEM harness to lights. Make sure they are clicked in and snug tight. Make sure to give wires a little pull to make sure it's connected correctly. Align and slide taillight into place. Insert T25 torque screws. Light comparison, brake light, reverse light, parking light with brake light and reverse light, parking light with brake light, parking light, parking light, brake light with reverse light, right turn signal, hazard lights with parking lights, parking light, brake light, parking light with turn signal light, brake light with reverse light, brake light with parking light and reverse light on, brake light with parking light on, parking light with hazard light on.